Hayır, kesinlikle var orada.
Means fast execution. This is the main problem with building such a big one-arm stone bridge was basically the weight of the bridge itself. So they did ratings to comfort with the weight of the bridge. The first thing they did is use a lighter type of limestone, which we call tenellia. The properties of this stone has little holes and canals inside, making it lighter by volume but the same strength as normal stone. Second thing they did, the whole arch of the whole bridge is actually hollow. There's nothing inside. So it's a strong outer shell with nothing in the middle to save on weight. The third thing they did is how the whole bridge is supported. How it's not only supported by the side walls of the bridge, but it's actually supported between the two towers. So actually the flat sides of the tower serve as the outermost walls that hold the whole bridge together. Everything between is how the weight and pressure is dispersed. So basically these towers take into account. These towers have walls that are 3 meters thick, and the flat sides go from the roof all the way down into the base and into the ground. They are very fixed towers, they are very secure towers. Meaning the whole bridge can